Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will tell you some interesting unknown facts about most of our favorite company Xiaomi. At the end of the video, I will tell you about a controversy happened with Xiaomi in the year 2016. To know all about these interesting facts, keep watching the video. Most of us call its name as Xiaomi, or some of us call it as Redmi or Mi. Actually, Redmi is a different brand and Mi is a different brand, or we may call it as a subsidiary of Xiaomi. The main reason of making two different companies was actually Redmi was made to compete with budget segment phones and Mi was made to compete with premium high segment phones. That's why we can see Redmi phones are literally cheaper than Mi phones. For example, if you compare the Redmi Note series with Mi Note series, then there is a huge price difference. Redmi Note series phone's price starts with $150 or roughly 11,000 Indian rupees, and Mi Note series phone prices starts from nearly $400 or roughly 30,000 Indian rupees. Currently, Xiaomi is number 4 smartphone brand globally, and if you talk about India, it is the number 1 company in India, followed by Samsung at number 2 spot. That means Xiaomi is selling most number of smartphones as compared to other companies in India. But there is an interesting fact that even if Xiaomi is number 1 and selling most number of smartphones, but the revenue generated is one of the lowest as compared to other brands. Actually, the profit margins of Xiaomi per phone is way too less than any other companies. According to a report, the profit margins of Xiaomi's per phone is less than 5%. Whereas if you talk about big brands like Samsung, their profit margins per phone varies from 32% to 50% according to the different models. So in money making, Xiaomi is way too behind than Samsung. Also, if you see the market share difference between Xiaomi and Samsung in India, it is less than 8% only. So there is a high chances of Samsung becoming the number 1 smartphone brand in India if they continue to launch phones at a budget price segment to compete with those Xiaomi and Realme phones. During the last 5 years, Xiaomi managed to sell 100 million smartphones only in India. And according to them, Redmi Note series phones are the most selling models in Indian market. According to Xiaomi, in India in every minute 250 Xiaomi phones are sold. And that means Xiaomi is expanding too much fastly in Indian market, and also people are mostly choosing Xiaomi phones to buy during their purchases. Here I would like to request you, if you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Xiaomi has invested in more than 200 small tech companies and has bought majority stakes in it. It means those 200 small companies actually designs and manufactures small gadgets such as earphones, power banks, bulbs, trimmers, and after that Xiaomi puts their company label on those products and sell it in the market under the brand name of Xiaomi. So this is one of the smartest steps taken from Xiaomi to capture the small tech gadgets without investing much in it. In 2018, Xiaomi launched their first Mi TV in India, and each one of them was equipped with smart features and falls under the category of smart TV. Before 2018, the market share of smart TVs in Indian market was only 18%, but after the launch of Mi TV, the market share of smart TV rose to 43%. And after seeing Xiaomi's step of launching smart TV at an economical price, other brands also started to launch their smart TVs at a lesser price, such as Samsung, Thomson, LG. And after 2018, Xiaomi became the number 1 smart TV company in India. If you talk about online market, in online TV market also, Xiaomi's TVs are the most selling TV due to its more features and cheap price tags. Now, if you talk about fitness bands market, here also Xiaomi is dominating and it is the number 1 fitness band company in India. Only the Mi Band 3 model is sold more than 1.5 million units till now. Here also, due to its more offering at a cheap price, worked for Xiaomi to be at number 1. Now, before ending the video, I will tell you about the controversy happened with Xiaomi in 2016. In 2016, Xiaomi launched their premium flagship smartphone Mi 5, and this phone came with Snapdragon 820 processor, which was actually underclocked due to some unknown reasons. In 2016, Snapdragon 820 was the most powerful processor seen in any Android phone, but the processor was underclocked and was less powerful in this phone as compared to other flagship phones of different brands. That's why it was a huge flop in Indian market as well as in global market too, because nobody wanted to buy an underclocked phone paying nearly $500 rather getting other phones having full version of their processor. And this became a controversy of Xiaomi with their launch of Mi 5. So these are some unknown interesting facts of Xiaomi. If you want to see more such facts of Xiaomi, I will make a part 2 video of this. Stay tuned to the channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.